Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a performance report for Michael in Michigan on this President JFK II A+. Michael, it's ready to go for you, bud. Got your mic gain feature here, volume, your auto squelch control, which is patented by President themselves, RF gain, RF power, SWR, read your SWR, high cut filters. You got a Vox, memory channels, noise blankers, Roger beeps. It's AM and FM. You can select all that right there, or you can push and hold and go just to the regular 20. And it's a great little radio. I've not seen anything put up by President yet that wasn't quality. They don't do the power that your strikers do and so forth, but they're good quality. So let's get right to it here. We'll start with the RF power all the way down. 50-watt slug. Keys 1 watt. Roll it all the way up. 11 watts. 100-watt slug. Hello audio 11111. Hello audio 11111. So it floats between 50-60 watts PEP. Like I said, it's not a striker, but these things are clean, reliable. It's all surface mount, which some techs don't like because they don't have the equipment to work on them. But you won't have no trouble with solder joints, nothing like that. Okay, there is our performance video on the President JFK II A+, from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.